Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Deviation from actual means. Under this method, the two regression equations x on y and y on x are developed in a modified form from the deviation figures of two variables from their respective actual means rather than actual values. Regression equation of x on y, x is equal to x bar plus bxy into y minus y bar, or x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Regression equation of y on x, y is equal to y bar plus byx into x minus x bar, or y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar, where x is given value of variable, y is given value of variable, x bar arithmetic mean average of variable x, y bar arithmetic average of variable y, r is correlation coefficient, bxy is equal to regression coefficient of x on y is equal to r into sigma x by sigma y. Example: regression analysis, deviation from actual means. Using the method of deviations from actual means, find the two regression equations, the correlation coefficient, the most probable value of y when x is equal to 30. So the table gives the value of x in first row and y in second row. So these values are put in the computation table. In the first column we have the value of x, the second column value of y, in the third column we have the deviation from mean, that is x minus 32, and the next column gives the deviation of y from mean 38. So the next column gives the square of the deviation x square, the next column gives the y square, that is the square of the deviation of y, and the next column gives the value of xy. The last row shows the sigma value, that is total value of the respective column. Now we compute the regression equation of x on y, that is x is equal to x bar plus r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. Putting these values from the table, we get sigma we get x bar is equal to sigma x by n is equal to 320 divided by 10 is equal to 32, and y bar is equal to sigma y by n is 380 divided by 10 is equal to 38. Now putting the values, we get the value of sigma x and sigma y. Sigma x is equal to square root of sigma x square by n is equal to square root of 140 by 10. Sigma x square is 140 is equal to 3.74. Similarly, we get sigma y is equal to square root of sigma y square by n is equal to square root of 398 by 10 is equal to 6.31. Now we put the values to get the value of r. R is equal to sigma xy by n into sigma x sigma y is equal to minus 93 divided by 10, n is 10 into 3.74 sigma x into 6.3y sigma y is equal to minus 93 by 10 into 23.5994 is equal to minus 93 by 235.99 is equal to minus 0.394. Putting the respective values, we get regression equation of x on y as x is equal to 32 plus minus 0.394 into 3.74 by 6.31 into y minus 38 is equal to 32 plus, that is 0.2337 into y minus 38, so equal to 32 plus 8.8806 minus 0.2337 0.2337y is equal to 40.8806 minus 0.2337y. So the regression equation of x on y is x is equal to 40.8806 minus 0.2337y. Regression equation of y on x is y bar is equal to y is equal to y bar plus r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So we get y is equal to 38 plus 0.394 into 6.31 by 3.74 into x minus 32. So we get y is equal to 38 minus 0.6643 into x minus 32 is equal to 38 plus 21.2576 minus 0.6643 x is equal to 59.2576 minus 0.6643 x. So the regression equation of y on x is y is equal to 59.2576 minus 0.6643 x. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.